I'm going to show you how to get the most voluminous bangs. I mean, look how big my bangs are. They look so voluminous. And this is like just my bang section. If you think they look good like this, check it out. Even when I put them to the side, look how much volume comes up off of them. It's because the way that I cut them. Super easy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's roll on over to that video right now. Ever seen. So I'm going to part my hair. My hair is wet, as you can see. I'm going to pull out a triangle section right here where my bangs are. There. Then we're going to go right on the side of that one and go straight down and pull that one out as well, making a triangle. We're going to comb all of this back and clip that out of the way. Okay, I think that's a better section. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pull the bangs forward and you're going to cut them where you want them to lay, right? Remember the hair is wet, so it's going to bounce up a little bit. I'm going to cut about right here. Yeah, right to my nose. We're going to cut all of this off. Just like that. To clarify, this is how long your sides are going to be, because I'm going to go in the center and I'm going to cut that a little bit shorter. How you do that is you take out just the center area. Ooh, was that from the back? We're going to take out just the center area of these bangs. Like that. You can see that. Now you're going to cut these to where you want the shortest part of your bang. So if you want it super short, you want it a little bit short, I'm going to cut it to be about right here. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to connect that. So split it in the middle. Now you're going to have a guide. You're going to connect this end to that end. You're going to comb it over. And you see that? And we're just going to cut all that off. Comb it over. Now, so to make them voluminous, what we're going to do is we're going to cut a little layer in it right here, and it's going to stack on each other. So I got the center. I'm going to go forward, and you're going to see, look. That's short right here. We're going to line it in a straight line, and that's what we're going to cut off. And what this is going to do is going to really build volume. But you're also keeping that length, because that shortest layer the bang that you cut right here, that's where it lays. See, it's not shorter. It's just layered in the front. And then you're going to do the same thing on the side. And you can see the shortest layers right here, but we're going to go out and cut that off. And yes, it doesn't look like much, but when it lays down, you're going to see more volume to the actual bang. And grab this other side. And it's a little more difficult when you're trying to do it like this, because you're kind of looking straight up. And we're going to cut that right there. Now I'm going to dry my hair and I'm going to show you guys how voluminous this actually is. Conair 1000 watts. This thing is the best for bangs. I prefer to go to the low setting, but you can go the high setting, which it sounds a lot louder, like that. But I like the low setting for the bangs, because you can see the low setting doesn't take the bangs off the brush. Look. See? And look at that. Now, you can't tell me that's not voluminous. Look at that. Like, wow. That is some like massive volume. See? And even if they go up or out of place like that, they still look amazing. I'm going to finish the hairs, then you can see what everything looks like together. But look at that. This thing's awesome. Look at that volume. Even when I push them back, it's amazing. But look at that. Just pulling down them very quickly. Look at that. You can't tell me that my bangs are not super voluminous. Look at that. How they just have so much volume to them. Obviously, I'm going to spray them and keep them in place, but look at that. That's amazing. Look at that. They look amazing. That's that total curtain bang right there. Super easy to do and super gorgeous. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please hit that thumbs up button. Remember, you are an original masterpiece. That's the way God created you to be. Own yourself, love others, love God. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Just trimmed them a little bit shorter because I felt like they were a little bit too long. But look, still, regardless, it still has all that volume. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, I think I like them just a little like on my eyebrow, not below my brow. What do you think?